Hi friends! Today I'm going to draw a colorful popit style ambulance using glitter colors. So grab your colors and let's start! Glitty art! English! I start drawing with the front part. Then I draw the top part, the back part, 2 wheels, and the bottom part. Next, I draw the light bars, the front window part, the doors, and the backside window, including some designs in the window part. After that, I draw all the popit circles on the body. Did you know? The word ambulance comes from a Latin word that means to move. A long time ago, ambulances were not vans like today. They were carts or wagons used to carry sick or injured people during war. Then I start coloring. First, I color the light bars and the top section red. Then I color the second body part with glitter orange. Most ambulances have flashing red and blue lights, so cars can move out of the way quickly. That helps the ambulance reach people faster and save lives. After that, I color the top window part, the top of the door, and the back window with glitter yellow. This is my favorite part so far. Sparkle, sparkle, just like magic. Next, I color the bottom part with glitter green, except for one section. Look how cool this is turning out! I color that one section with glitter sky blue. After that, I color the outer part of the wheels with glitter black. Finally, I color the wheel hubs with glitter purple. My glittery ambulance is complete. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more fun drawing videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.